Simple past tense, negative and interrogative sentences. She visited her grandparents. She did not visit her grandparents. Did she visit her grandparents? He played football yesterday. He did not play football yesterday. Did he play football yesterday? They watched a movie last night. They did not watch a movie last night. Did they watch a movie last night? We enjoyed the party. We did not enjoy the party. Did we enjoy the party? The dog barked at the strangers. The dog did not bark at the strangers. Did the dog bark at strangers? I read a book in the afternoon. I did not read a book in the afternoon. Did I read a book in the afternoon? She cooked dinner for her family. She did not cook dinner for her family. Did she cook dinner for her family? He drove to the city. He did not drive to the city. Did he drive to the city? They listened to classical music. They did not listen to classical music. Did they listen to classical music? We played chess together. We did not play chess together. Did we play chess together? She watered the plants in the morning. She did not water the plants in the morning. Did she water the plants in the morning? He read the newspaper. He did not read the newspaper. Did he read the newspaper? I wrote in my journal last night. I did not write in my journal last night. Did I write in my journal last night? They swam in the lake during summer. They did not swim in the lake during summer. Did they swim in the lake during summer? The train arrived on time. The train did not arrive on time. Did the train arrive on time? She sang her favorite song. She did not sing her favorite song. Did she sing her favorite song? He taught English to the students. He did not teach English to the students. Did he teach English to the students? We celebrated New Year's Eve together. We did not celebrate New Year's Eve together. Did we celebrate New Year's Eve together? The cat slept on the bed. The cat did not sleep on the bed. Did the cat sleep on the bed? I drink coffee in the morning. I did not drink coffee in the morning. Did I drink coffee in the morning? They traveled to Japan last year. They did not travel to Japan last year. Did they travel to Japan last year? He studied for the test all night. He did not study for the test all night. Did he study for the test all night? She loved reading mystery novels. She did not love reading mystery novels. Did she love reading mystery novels? We cleaned the house on Saturday. We did not clean the house on Saturday. Did we clean the house on Saturday? The birds chirped at dawn. The birds did not chirp at dawn. Did the birds chirp at dawn? Thank you for watching.